Hello, this is Damian from Spotahome Valencia. Today I'm going to show you this very nice apartment. So let's take a look at this bedroom. Right here we've got single bed, a bedside table with a lamp, chair, and wardrobe right here. Okay. And another new thing about the flat, because the rest you can see in the other video, is the living room. So let me show you. Now here when you walk the corridor, we have the living room right here. And here we have a table with 4 chairs, another small table right here, and a balcony. So let's take a look. So we've got some common space that we can use to study, work, or whatever you want. Well, I hope you liked it. That was Daniel from Spotahome Valencia. See you next time.